Meet our new worker that enables access to data from the Federal Reserve Bank. Here, you'll find a wealth of economic data such as interest rates, bond yields, unemployment, and thousands of other macroeconomic indicators. It's very easy to use. Just type what you're looking for and select the best result. Choice date from and date to. Click Run and see results. If you want, check details about this series, choice series ID and click Run. You can also check the latest news releases. Every dataset from here can be combined with another worker for deeper analysis.